Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 4, Number 8, which reads, for what value of n is the absolute value of n minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0? So we write down the equation, absolute value n minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. So what's the first thing you do here? You subtract 1 from both sides. You want to isolate the absolute value. And what you might notice here is that the absolute value of nothing could give you a negative result. Correct answer is D, no such value of n. How would you solve an absolute value for maybe a different question that you need to do? Well, what we do is we write two equations at this point. So one would be n minus 1 equals negative 1 and n minus 1 equals positive 1. And then you'd solve each of them. Here you'd add 1 to both sides, and you get n equals 0. And here you'd add 1 to both sides, and you get n equals 2. But what you notice is that if you plug a 2 back in, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2, not 0. If you plug a 0 back in, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Absolute value of negative 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2, not 0. So when you have absolute values, you've got to plug in to check for extraneous solutions. And in this case, there is no solution. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with absolute value problems. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.